People have some weird ideas about what it takes for INFPs to find the right career. They think it's about getting lucky. They think it's about having the right connections or following some traditional path that worked for someone else or doing what their parents tell them to do. But after working with hundreds of INFPs, I can tell you what it actually is. It's about identifying your core values, the non-negotiables, the things that give your life meaning. It's about finding work that honors those values, not just in theory, but in daily practice. And it's about creating space for creativity within whatever you do. That's literally it. The problem is we make it so much more complicated. We try to force ourselves into these careers that look good on paper, but slowly crush our spirits and our souls. We ignore the whispers of our intuition telling us that something isn't right, that we're not satisfied, or that maybe we're made for more. We convince ourselves that feeling drained and misaligned is just part of being an adult and something that we have to go through every day. When INFPs find career alignment, work doesn't feel like this heavy burden that we're carrying. It feels like this natural extension of who we are. So if you're feeling disconnected between what you do and who you are, it's not because you're broken or too sensitive or not cut out for this world. It's because you haven't yet found that alignment between your values and your work. And that is a journey worth taking.